Right, welcome back to the channel to another video, and the second video now on the new UP GTI that we picked up in the last episode. So it's been about a week now. We picked it up midweek. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out, and we sort of run through all the specs and everything that it's got. But today is going to be its first proper clean, so we're going to take you through effectively detailing this car. So as you can see, the car is in need of a proper clean. It does look like it's been quite well looked after. When we picked it up, there's still a bit of polish residue and stuff like that on it, so it's obviously been quite well looked after, but we're going to give it a bit more of a deep clean today because, as you can see, it needs it. So we're going to go through all the normal steps. We're obviously going to snow foam it. We've got some fallout remover and stuff like that, and then once we've cleaned it and we can sort of assess what the paint is like, we maybe polish it, wax it, clear bar it if it needs it. But yeah, we're going to hopefully tighten it up a bit and make it look nicer. But remember, by no means am I a detailer. If I am doing something wrong, I'm sure you'll drop it in the comments, but try not to be too harsh. I'm just having fun, yeah. I'm just trying to make this car look nice. Right, so let's go. Right, so to start off, obviously snow foam. We've got the Auto Bright snow foam cannon, which has had a bit of hammer, to be honest, in my use. And we've also got some Built Hamber snow foam. I've used a lot of different snow foams, and I keep coming back to this one. It seems the best, to be totally honest. So usually do that about 1 to 6, so 100 ml, 500 ml of water is usually somewhere near. Fill that baby up. And as always, we're going to start with the wheels. So we're going to get the wheels gleaming first, and then we'll move on to the rest. We'll leave that car to dwell for as long as it will take, really. Obviously we're in direct sunlight, so it won't be that long. Those of you that don't know snow foam, the idea is that you sort of blast the foam on, which is like a cleaner, and it drips off and takes sort of as much dirt off, or if it doesn't take it off, it breaks it down before you go in with a mitt, just to avoid sort of scratching the car. Things like black cars and stuff, you know, really easy to scratch with the mitt, so definitely recommend snow foam. So next step is obviously a contact wash. Again, we're going for Built Hamber. This is like a proper pH neutral, so if you have got any wax or anything on, this isn't going to take it off, and yeah, super foamy. So we're going to use this, get on with the contact wash, and then start using a bit of Autoglyn Magma and stuff like that to just get any bits of crap off the paint, basically. So let's go to the contact wash. Right, so the car's completely clean now. I've obviously done the contact wash. We're going to go round with a bit of active insect remover because there is a few bug splats, and also a bit of Magma, which yeah, yeah, basically any sort of metal particles that are stuck in the paint will turn purple. You'll be able to see them, rub them off. So we'll do that now, and then we'll catch up with you after that bit's done. Right, so we've got around with Magma, and basically this is to get rid of any little metal spots. It basically turns them to purple. So if you have a look here, you can see all the little bits that have sort of turned purple on the car. That is basically bits of metal. What's it? Yeah, it's bits of iron from your paintwork. So it turns any bits of iron to purple. I don't know why cars are covered in iron, but they are, and that is proof. So yeah, we'll rinse this off in a minute, and then hopefully give it a little polish, and it should be good. So as you can see, it's starting to look pretty good now. Obviously we've used the Magma and the iron out, use the insect remover. There's one last thing that we need to do, and that is sort of get the tar off. Any sort of tar spots that are on the car. I'll see if I can find some obvious ones for you. Don't know if you can see the little black dots like that, and like that. Around the back here, there's loads of sort of tar dots. Obviously it's much more obvious on a white car, but you can see them all up here, little bits in here. We're just going to try and sort of get as many of these off as we can. There, quite a lot on this side actually. But yeah, we're going to basically go around, see if we can get all the tar off, and then we will dry it off, maybe give it a polish. Okay, so as you can see, the car is starting to look a little bit nicer. We've gone round with the Magma to get all the iron off. We've gone round with tar and glue remover to get all the tar off. And then after that, we've given it a little bit of a polish. We didn't clay bar it because I forgot the bloody clay bar. So yeah, so it's been polished up. We're just giving it another quick little wash just to get any sort of dust off or residue of any of those products that we used. So we're going to use a bit of Autoglym Polar Seal now, just as a drying aid and also a sealant. Spray that on, wash it off again, and then we can get on with drying it. So there we go, our car is starting to look nice and clean. Lauren's just toweling it off now. Obviously this is made much easier with that Polar Seal. So obviously once it starts beading, if you just go over it with running water, the car almost dries itself, to be honest. But starting to look alright, isn't it, lass?
Yeah, much better.
So that is it, it's all complete. We've rinsed it off, we've dried it off, all that sort of stuff, just in the nick of time, because as you can see, it did start raining, which is a bit of a bummer on a fresh car, but it's alright, we can leave it here so it can stay clean for a little bit longer. But yeah, overall it's come out pretty nice. I'm quite happy with it. Not jealous of Lauren having a white car at all. But yeah, what do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Talk as well, yeah. Talk about it. So if you wouldn't mind following me, we'll show you some of the clean bits. So here's a clean boot, clean GTI badge, clean wheels, clean door shuts, more clean GTI badges. I mean, it just is a mint little car, isn't it?
Definitely.
So yeah, It's nice and clean. It's raining. Thanks for watching. If we've got any pro detailers, drop a comment below telling me what I did wrong, which steps I missed, what I need to do better next time. Make sure you subscribe. There's going to be loads more stuff coming on the UP GTI. I can't even put into words how good this little car is. It is awesome. I love it. I think Lauren likes it too. You like it, don't you?
Yes.
It's pretty good. Yeah, so brilliant little car. Hopefully we will get started on some modification soon. I know you're keen for some wind deflectors, aren't you? Yeah. Maybe get some little LED lights on the interior, and then yeah, I need to join some forums and see what else people are doing to them. So yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you like this video, subscribe as always, and we will see you in the next one. Till next time, peace.